Tell me what you're doing. What are you doing?
Taking advert.
You what? What are you doing?
Yeah.
You're loading wood? Alright, where's your pile? All those little boards are supposed to be your pile. But where's your, what are you doing? Alright, go show me. Go. This is supposed to be his little pile. All the little wood. Bubba wants to help us. Alright, go to the next one. Here, Stover, do this one right here. Look here. Here's your big long one. Okay, the 16-footer's fine. You're hard-headed. I guess you get that from... Yes, at least a 16-footer. Strong like your papa. I'm gonna get in trouble for child labor laws. You got it? You got it? All right. All right, now let me see. That's good. I'll get the rest of it. Let me see your muscles. Hey, come here. You got it. That's good. Come on.